हेलो एवरीवन एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। सो गाइज, आज की रेसिपी में आप देखेंगे कि हम कोटिंग कैसे करते हैं KFC चिकन को। सो विल नीड ब्रेड क्रम्स, marinated chicken, plain flour, cornstarch, mix together, eggs, beat them up, add salt and black pepper powder. Now here's the time for coating. So first we'll coat it with the plain flour. After that, we're gonna coat it with the eggs, the beaten eggs. And if you want the perfect crispy chicken, then coat it twice. Here, let me just show you how to coat it once. So first you dip in the plain flour, then the eggs, and then the breadcrumbs. So what you do is, for a double coating, we dip it into the plain flour, then the egg, and then again the plain flour, and then the egg mixture, and then finally the breadcrumbs. So it's so simple to make, so zarur banaye se and comments mein likhe. So see, I've told you. Now we're gonna dip it in the egg. Now back to the plain flour. Okay. And then again in the egg. And finally the breadcrumbs. These are homemade breadcrumbs. You just need to toast the breads and then just grind them up. And there you go, your ready breadcrumbs, homemade. You see everyone? This is so ready. So just do the same procedure one by one. And there you go, you have your delicious KFC chicken homemade ready. And now's the time for frying them. We're frying them until they're light golden brown nearly, and they have to be cooked from inside. So now we'll put them in the frying pan. We're gonna fry it into a deep fry. So see, one by one. They surely do look very delicious. So I would recommend all of you try it out at home, since the lockdown is still, the quarantine is, everyone's on quarantine, and I don't think the lockdown has opened. So I would recommend to you all that make this at home and enjoy it. And I'll show you in the next clip the final result. It is so delicious, and it turns out to be a perfect KFC chicken. Yeah, the coating just got off it. So yes. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please try this recipe out. Until then, like this video, subscribe, share, and comment. Till then everyone, take care. Allah Hafiz.